Hi, I'm Gary and welcome to my shop. In this quick video, I'm going to show you about this Rockler Shop Block, which is great for organizing your desktop tools or benchtop tools for handy little spaces where you're going to work at. Now these are available online at Amazon.com and Rockler.com. And I'll put links to those below. Now on Amazon, they're available for $18.95 each, and if you got Amazon Prime, you get free shipping if you've got other things you're shopping for on Amazon as it is. With Rockler, actually they're a little bit cheaper on Rockler. It's $14.99 for one, for two, $24.99. And as with Rockler, if your order is $39 or more, you get free shipping with them. So depends on what else you may want to buy with Rockler to get that. Now I happened to get these on sale during the 2019 Christmas season, where I got both of these for $14.99. And you may want to wait for the Christmas sales or some other sales to get that kind of a deal for yours. Now I looked on YouTube to see what other videos may be out there about these products, and I only found two of them out there. One was called Kai's, K-A-I''S, Woodworking. Now he's a bright young man, and he's going to be a promising woodworker and YouTube creator. Very good. Also, there's Stumpy Nubs. He's got a video on this too. I'll put links to those videos down below. Now to tell you about these, they come in one or two pieces, and you can put them together as you see fit. And they do have these holes, or key slot holes, on the back sides, so you can hang them on a wall or any vertical surface where you can locate screws or nail heads that you can hang these on. Unfortunately, these do not fit on the Rockler wall brackets for the Rockler drawer line kits. They come out with some strips that you can attach to the wall, and you can hang some of their organizers on the wall besides organizing your drawers. Now these do attach together with each other if you get the pair with dovetail slots, and be a little bit careful with this. It's a little bit precarious in getting these to fit. That fits in pretty good there, and then you got one solid piece like that. Now on the bottom side of these, there's also some recesses here where you can put in 3/4 inch magnets to help hold things like in these trays here. That works great for keeping your parts from sliding all over the place if you cart this around different places on the shop. Also, these come with these plastic rods, as they're called. They're called flex rod bristles, kind of like a brush here, and that's what holds things in here instead of a styrofoam. When you first look at this online, it looks like a piece of styrofoam, so you're afraid that when you put something in there, you're going to be poking holes and ruining it pretty quickly. Or you have to put the same tool always back in the same spot. But these don't do that. These are flexible and come back into shape, and you can keep putting your tool anywhere you want in any of the cavities. So I'll leave this one out momentarily here as I show you more. I'll take my tools that I've made on this piece of wood here out of some scraps for holding some of my pen supplies, pen making supplies, and I can put them in here, scissors, scratch awl, and my glue. Now if I leave one of these out of one of the cavities here, I can stand up my glue and other things in there like that. I don't like to leave my glue laying down if the cap doesn't seal. Some do and some do not. So if the bottle's like half full or less, then maybe you can get by with laying it in one of the trays there without it leaking into the cap. But I like to use it like that. Maybe keep this around as a spare for these. So then take off my center finder and put it in one of the trays. I know I'm thinking about getting some more of these for other spots around my shop, because I do a number of different things, and I've got several different work places that I work at. And this would be handy for keeping, various tools at, and little tools. So, hope you enjoyed this video and you got some inspiration. maybe get one of these for yourself for repair and make trays like this, like I like. And if you did, please give me a like and give me a thumbs up, and also share it with your family, friends, and fellow crafts enthusiasts. Please give us your comments. We'd love to hear what you think, what your questions are, or what your ideas are. Please subscribe and be sure to hit that bell icon so you won't miss anything new. Thank you.